As comfortable as it may be to ride with your feet on the dash, you could be in for a horrible surprise. Airbags are meant to explode out of the dashboard fast enough to fully inflate and save yourself from as much injury as possible. Now how fast is that? It's around 200 miles per hour. If your feet are on top of the airbag as it deploys in an accident, they may end up in the roof, in your chest, your head, or worse. Let's take a look at this dummy as it gets a test run with its legs on the dashboard. An airbag is there to help keep you from serious injury, but if your feet are on them, they could cause a serious injury. So be safe as a passenger and keep your feet off the dash.